The Knowledge Library Daily Current Affairs, News Headlines 16th May 2024. Subscribe our channel for daily updates. National News. NIA arrests proclaimed offender in Sri Lankan Pak espionage case. India, Eritrea holds second round of Foreign Office consultations in Delhi. Bharat Pavilion inaugurated at Cannes 2024 in France. MHA issues first set of citizenship certificates under CAA. Fifth meeting of India-UAE Joint Committee on Consular Affairs held in New Delhi. Supreme Court orders release of NewsClick founder Prabir Purkayastha. IMD forecasts fresh spell of heat wave likely to commence over Rajasthan, Punjab, Haryana and UP. EAMS Jaishankar says Chabhar port will benefit entire region and a narrow view should not be taken of it. 6G technology potential to strengthen nation's digital economy and enhance productivity. Indian Air Force testes Bhishma state-of-the-art indigenous mobile hospital for airdrop in Agra. AIIMS New Delhi signed MoU with University of Bolton Institute of Medicine. ED tells Delhi High Court that AAP to be made co-accused in excise policy scam. Common University Entrance Test QET UG scheduled for today has been postponed for Delhi centres due to unavoidable reasons. In a statement, the National Testing Agency said the examination will now be held on 29th of May. India's biggest skill competition designed to demonstrate the highest standards of skilling will begin today in New Delhi. International news. Pakistan, Islamabad High Court grants bail to former PM Imran Khan in corruption case. Nepal aims for economic growth rate of 7.3% in 16th plan. Ukraine withdraws troops from Kharkiv amid mounting Russian pressure. Singapore's Deputy Leader Lawrence Wong to be sworn in as 4th PM. India expresses grief over demise of Security Coordination Officer in UN Department of Safety and Security, DSS, in Gaza. India to establish arms manufacturing unit Sri Lanka. Canadian author Elise Munro and Nobel laureate passes away at her home in Ontario at age of 92. US President Joe Biden imposes heavy tariff on Chinese electric vehicles and batteries. Sports news. IPL cricket, Rajasthan Royals to take on Punjab Kings in Guwahati. Table tennis, Manika Batra becomes first Indian woman to break into top 25 of World Women's Singles rankings. IPL, Delhi Capitals, DC, defeat Lucknow Super Giants, LSG, by 19 runs. Boxing, Gaurav Chauhan enters semi-finals of Iloda Cup in Kazakhstan. Thank you and have a nice day. Like, share and subscribe our channel.